Hey guys, welcome to our video. We have this. This is a Greenlight collectibles Greenlight Hollywood, and this is a Mad Max. But it don't say anything about Mad Max. It does say it's not even the movie. This is the nickname of the car right here. The packaging say last of the V8 Interceptors, so this is not even the V8. I don't know. This car did have a nickname. But I have this say it at the end of the video. Made by Greenlight. I got to bring some Greenlight out. And I got this off of Amazon for $15. And Mad Max, the original version from 1980. They film it in Australia, so that way no one knows about this movie. No one knows about that movie. So yeah, this is actually an Australian movie, the first one. So let's open it. You got the Greenlight collectibles Hollywood sign, and the name. This is not even the name of the movie, but it can do. No trademarks of Mad Max. See that? A limited edition diecast metal in chassis. So kind of cool. And this is Series 7. And this is a 1973 Ford Falcon XB. So sometimes Greenlight got this wrong and put a 72 instead of a 73. So looks cool in the package, but I want to take it out and have metal chassis. And the name is correct because it's only 1973 to 1976. I hold it. So let's open. Looking at the back, got this from Amazon. Got licensed by Ford, so that's, but not the movie. This is a 2021. Got this off of Amazon. That's how it looks when you get it on Amazon. So I'm gonna unbox this and I will open the video. Okay, not stand around waiting. So we will open this car right now. And I did made a video today, so I have to post this tomorrow. So yeah, see when I open this. Okay. I always collect these. These is like you have to collect the card art too, so hope you understand it. Like the thing. And the bottom is just blank. It's like blank. It's like the top is not blank. So yeah, we got this one. And this looks like an off-road car. No, it's not. It's a police car, so. And this thing is absolutely heavy. I might do have the matte finish at the back. You can actually see It's cool. It actually is a police car, because the police badging is right about right there. You see that matte coat at the back, you don't see it. See the matte coat? This costs like $15. It looks cool. I like the back. It looks like a off-road police car. It's like off-road. This is actually a Ford, guys. So that's pretty much why we have to know that. I don't know. This is actually also matte black. You see at the back, right about right there. You can join with the Skarsky and Hutch. It's premium hobbies, mean a exclusive. This is a hobbies exclusive of the Skarsky and Hutch car. So this kind of want to join with this. They're both police cars, so we know that. And this one have a orangey, reddish coat. And this one, the only colors is actually this gold police and the matte finish. So they both work together, so what's the point? You know, okay. Last time, Greenlight, it was a Chrome edition with this Chrome edition. And we have this. Greenlight did the same one as this, but they actually accidentally put a 1972. They only ran like 1973 to 1977. I think that's wrong. Hope you correct me. So there's the 1973 Ford Falcon XB. And this is a Australian movie, so yes, this is a Ford Australia. Do have a metal chassis, and it has the same as that hydraulics, like the Fall Guys. That's like the Fall Guys. They have the same hydraulics as the Greenlight Fall Guys truck. See right here, see the black things? They look very much the same. So let's put that in there in the field, because that was like cool. It's like an off-road car mixed with a police car. And look at the base, the back wheels is actually weighs up a tiny bit of these. And it say use under license. That means Ford actually did this. Now Greenlight, tell Ford, the one to make this. 2017, made in China. Wow. It looks so cool with the matte finish. It's like, I see this car in real life, and you wanna have the same as that car, and in your collection, you can get this. This one had the lines. It's kind of cool with my. Wait, hold on. Wait. That looks cool. You see that matte finish at the this line is all matte finish, so yeah, it's kind of cool for the matte finish one. It actually is a undercover police car, but for the MFP, it say that on the license plate. So focus. Oh no, yeah, 10 minutes in, and it's you can see the back headlights. See that it's a MFP for Mace Force Patrol. I don't know that correct. Like the matte finish, the matte, and it looks so detailed. I can show you again. I don't know, the roof can open. Look at that. That line looks cool. I'm gonna add the base. Looks cool on the base. I own one of these. It's gonna be exactly the same as that car in Mad Max. But it don't really say anything on this, say Mad Max. So Greenlight was so lazy, they don't even put a trace of Mad Max. You can even put Mad Max right about, like, right here. But I think Greenlight was too lazy in this say. Oh, the movie actually name is Last of the Feet 8. The Feet 8 Interceptors. Last of the Feet 8 Interceptors. That was not the movie. So, not American car, American car like this to have the driver wheel at the that white hand side. This is the white. See that? Got the steering wheel. But this time it's on the left. So see that? That's the left, not the white. So, and this is die-cast metal. See that? I think every single Greenlight Hollywood have a metal chassis. See that? That's the left. That's the left. See, this is Australian because it's on the left side, not the white side. So, and let's talk about the badge. It looks like gold to me. It looks cool. The rims looks very detailed. This feel would be a long feel. This morning I actually post a feel, so I have to post this tomorrow. So yeah, I like the matte finish on this. It's kind of detailed, and I hope I get these. I don't have the chrome fortune of this. I gotta have to. Hope you enjoy this watching. I hope you like. Oh, I don't want to forget my Pontiac. Maybe like the same as size of my. I hope you have a wonderful day. Peace out, and we see you all next on Monday. Peace out.